How to remove objects from video in Canva. So in this video tutorial I'm to show you the perfect way. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, you can see I have inserted one video here on my page Canva. So suppose I want to remove this file stand. I need to follow the one step. It is like trick, you can say trick, but it will be work definitely. Okay, so what you need to do, just expand your screen, your video screen, and just pause your video and take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot with the shortcut keys, full screen. Now just minimize the video. Now copy paste here this screenshot on the video. This is my image. Now just expand and fill this on video screen. Okay, perfectly fill this in video screen. Now click on that image. Now we are on image. This is my image, this is my video. Okay, we have the two layer here. Okay, so I just select the image, go to the edit, and here we need to go in magic erase. Just select the magic erase options. Now try to remove these objects perfectly. Make sure you cover only objects like this. After you done, you can also enable the auto detect, so it will be help you to detect proper objects. But in my case, I just select the by manually and erase it. Okay, so it will be take few seconds to erase objects. Okay, so object will be erased. You can try again if you find objects not clearly delete, so you can try again. So it will be erase the rest of objects, whatever. Okay, yeah, it's, I think it is delete now properly. Now just come back. Now resize your image and just cover that object, okay, by your image. So we have this image, and back of the we have videos. So we have cover only objects by image, and other area we cropped like this. Okay, you need to fit your image on your or on this object only. Then you can see, if I minimize, you can see the objects on video. You need to cover it properly. Now play the video. You can see the objects has been disappear, and video play without this objects, you can see the object has been deleted. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.